Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Rosegarden on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Rosegarden. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Press Enter. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. Now we will install Rosegarden. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. Now we need to set permissions for a tool which we need to launch Rosegarden. Now we will launch it from the Linux terminal to make sure that it works. Rosegarden is now installed on your Chromebook. Now we need to go to our Linux app settings and enable audio input. You need to do this every time before launching Rosegarden. Now we will launch Rosegarden. Enjoy!